Hey, it's Oliver from Everpeak Partners, and today I'm going to walk through a little trick on how to automatically update your type field on the account. So, if we open up one of our accounts, you'll see that we've got a type field here, and we've got some different options. We've got things like prospect, customer, partner, reseller, vendor, etc. And when you have a prospect and you get a signed contract, close the deal, you would mark the opportunity as closed won. And when you do that, it should always become a customer. However, out of the box, Salesforce will not update that for you. And so a salesperson has to manually go in and update the account when they close the opportunity, or they could very easily forget, and then you're stuck with data that's not updated. And so, what I'm going to walk through is how to build an automated process that will update the type from prospect to customer when you mark an opportunity as closed won. So, and I'll use this as our test record when we get to it. So, to start building this, we're going to go to a tool called Process Builder. And to get there, we'll click on the top right gear icon. We'll go into Setup. And from the Quick Find menu, we're going to start typing the word process. And you'll see right here we get our Process Builder tool. And we're going to create a new process, and we'll give it a name. We'll just call it update type to customer when won. You can put a little description in there. You could write updates type to customer when an opportunity is won. And we're going to kick the process off when a record changes. And now we're going to pick our object that the process is on. And since the opportunity is tied to both the account and the opportunity, we're going to pick that object to give us access to the fields that we need. And we're going to pick our criteria. So we'll pick that the stage has to equal closed won on the opportunity. And we're going to pick our stage field in here, equals closed won, and that's it. And then for our actions here, we're going to pick to update a record, and we're going to update the type to customer. And now we're going to pick a record related to the opportunity, since that type field lives on the account. So I'll select that, and in here we're going to pick account ID, and then this will give us access to the account fields. And so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to put account type, and we're going to update that account type to customer. And we'll save that, and we'll activate our process. So pretty basic process here. We've got our opportunity, the stage is equal to closed won, and then we take the account type and automatically update it to customer. So anytime that criteria is met, that action will be taken. And what we can do is go back and test that out to make sure that it works. So we'll go into our accounts, and I'll just create a new test record here. And you can even see our type here defaults to prospect. So we'll go in here, create a new opportunity, put our close date in, and we're going to put our stage as closed one. And so this should update that account field. So now we just close one, our opportunity. And if we come back to our test record, we'll see that that has now been updated from prospect to customer. So this is a great way to not only save a little bit of time, but also make sure that your type field gets updated, and that way you can categorize on your accounts what are customers and what are prospects.